So I'm out here, Stinchfield Woods, Radio Astronomy Observatory. Got some gnarly satellite dishes. Well, that one. And then over here, there's another one. And I'm out here with the Mavic Mini. And let's see if we can get gnarly out here. So I tried doing a quick shot, I think it's the tornado quick shot or something, of the top part of that satellite dish. And the Mavic Mini went a little crazy. We'll probably post some video of that just separately, and maybe DJI might want to take a look at that and see if there's an issue with this drone. Alright.